That was fucking nuts, bro. You're watching the Tish 21. What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. So today we're going on a snowboarding trip, and I haven't done a video like this before, so I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys can let me know in the comment section below. So we're gonna go on a snowboarding trip today, and it's supposed to be an absolute blizzard as we're getting up there and throughout the day. The drive back is definitely gonna be a C63 AMG winter drift session, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the drive back, or just forward it, you know, if you're not trying to watch all that snowboarding action. But I'm sure I'll try to get some good snowboarding content for you guys. I've never made a snowboarding video before, so let's see if I can do it at all. So we're just getting some gas right now on the way, obviously, because it's a C63. What else would we be doing? And we just picked up some new tires for this thing. So we got a Michelin X Ice on it now with really good tread. So hopefully we shouldn't have any issues. And for those of you guys who don't know, obviously this is a rear-wheel drive car with an LSD. So driving it in the snow can be tricky at times, but because of the LSD and with winter tires, it actually becomes quite controllable, and you don't really have to worry too much about the fishtailing. All right, guys, so we're about halfway there. We can already see we're getting some snow. Got that on video.
I should know what to spin out. Come on, rerun. Fucking write that off too. My lifestyle. Right off like any type of item. So you can do it right off snowboarding.
I'm drifting a whole roundabout right now, like an entire roundabout.
Just keep going until a car comes.
Yeah, I've been setting it. We're gonna send one more circle. One-handed. You do this in Forza, remember? All right, and exit.
Let's go snowboarding. Snow. Oh, the green brakes look so nasty, bro.
Yo, your fucking diffuser broke off.
The what? Yeah, I was like, did we touch the snowbank? Well, I guess we did touch the snowbank or something. Or the snow. I don't think we touched the snowbank though. I think the snow from underneath pulled it off. Yeah. Like there's snow packed in here, so 100% something.
Well, you also sending it probably after. Yo, just do one of these.
Hold on, I gotta get the clips in first, and then I'm gonna send a little. There we go. Fixed. It's good, right?
Yeah.
Look at that, good as new. Yeah. All right.
Got the AMG gap.
Yeah. Winter beater. Got my boy Harvin in the STI. God damn. That's how you do it, eh? Holy shit. The raise?
Yo, it's winter mode, bro.
Winter mode. Let's go. Try that again. Motherfucker. I couldn't see anything.
Goddamn fucking skiers.
Huh? Yo, you saw that, right?
Yeah.
Fucking
Sorry,
pussy.
cut you off and started going slow.
Yeah. Alright guys, so if you just saw that, we just went snowboarding. Obviously I couldn't film all of it. I'm not trying to die snowboarding and filming and shit. That's what it is. But, you know, as you know, we're gonna do some one-handed. Shit, bro. Oh my god, yes, bro. Holy fuck. You like that? That was fucking nuts, bro. Oh my god. Holy shit. That was one-handed though too. This car is the best, man. For sliding around and shit.
Had your wings on.
Okay. Oh. Nah. Rear-wheel drive with winter and LSD just eats up snow. It's crazy. It's just dancing, bro. Like, it's crazy. Look at this. Just gets a little unstable, you just fix it. This is actually kind of deep here. It's not even plowed at all. Alright guys, so that's the end of that video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Definitely got to see some snowboarding. I hope I got some good footage for you guys, and see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.